2025 Grand Entryway. Luxurious welcome with warm lighting, premium materials, and elegant decor. A grand entryway undeniably sets the tone for your entire home, serving as the first glimpse of your personal style and offering a luxurious, inviting first impression. In 2025, cutting-edge designs revolve around the use of warm lighting, premium materials, and carefully curated elegant decor to create a welcoming yet breathtaking atmosphere. The strategic incorporation of focal decor pieces, such as a majestic chandelier or a meticulously crafted console table, elevates the entryway's aesthetic, fostering a cozy yet sophisticated ambiance. Whether your taste leans towards a contemporary aesthetic or a timeless classic look, the thoughtful combination of textures, colors, and statement pieces is key to making your entryway unforgettable. Designers in 2025 are focusing heavily on implementing rich, sumptuous materials. This includes rich wood finishes that bring warmth, marble flooring that exudes opulence, and ornate mirrors that beautifully reflect natural light to enhance the space's overall allure. Soft ambient lighting is crucial in accentuating warmth, inviting guests to linger. Meanwhile, accent details such as luxurious rugs, statement vases, and custom artwork infuse personality and charm into the decor, making the space unique while maintaining an elegant edge. Incorporating smart home features into the entryway design is also gaining momentum. Features like motion sensor lighting add an innovative touch of convenience and efficiency. Automated fragrance diffusers introduce an olfactory element that completes the multisensory experience of entering your home. Such innovations ensure that the entryway is not only visually and aesthetically pleasing, but also delightfully functional. Ultimately, a well-designed entryway transcends mere aesthetic sip crafts an atmosphere of grandeur that simultaneously feels inviting. By harmoniously balancing luxurious textures, cohesive color palettes, and carefully curated decor, you can transform your home's entrance into a captivating space that warmly welcomes guests with elegance and charm. Whether blessed with a spacious foyer or working within the limitations of a compact entryway, embracing the latest trends in entryway design will guarantee that your home leaves an indelible impression on all who cross its threshold. Such meticulous attention to detail ensures that every visit begins on a note of luxurious hospitality, setting the standard for what lies beyond.